Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki Vulcan S with ABS brakes. This bike is in perfect showroom condition, only 582 miles. Beautiful metallic gray and black with the red highlights. It's got that nice smoked windscreen. Come on by and get this practically new Vulcan 650S for only $64.99. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, 6-speed transmission. It's got that engine guards. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.